Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm just gonna do a small Sephora unboxing. This is the Luxe box that Sephora now offers. It's only like $25 and I snagged it real quick. As far as the VIB Rouge, they get the first access. So I snagged it real quick. It's only 25 bucks and you get a lot of Luxe items. There's the La Mer moisturizing cream, the Creme de la Mer. This is the Jisoo honey infused hair mask. You also get the Sephora 2 First Care Activating Serum. And then the Victor and Rolf Flower Balm Floral Infused Scent. And then this is a YSL Shine Lipstick Balm in Coral Dolmen. It's very, very pretty. I have it on right now. It looks so good. And then the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. You get all larger sizes and it's all only $25. And once they're gone, they're gone. So I just love them. Yeah, I picked up another of the First Care Activating Serum, Sephora 2. And then this is the Creamy Foaming Cleanser from Chorus. Their stuff is really good. And then this is the Squalene Vitamin C Face Oil from Biossance. I always loved it, so I got a little sample of that. This is the Hermes, it's called Twilly. It's their new perfume. It smells really good. It's like a floral scent. And then that's the Wishful Peptide Serum that they came out with, so I'm going to try that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.